Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I'm back with another video in the how to start a print-on-demand business. And today we are going to be talking about Society 6. But before we jump into the video, make sure you go over to hit subscribe and hit the notification bell so you could be notified every time that I go live or that I upload a video, okay? It's 4,430 of you guys here. Let's get that to 5,000. That is my ultimate goal before December. So let's get into it. So I've only created an account once on Society 6. Normally I've already created 2 accounts, but this will be my second time doing it. So it's definitely going to be like we're going through this together, and I kind of like that. I don't want to be a know-it-all. I want you guys to understand that print on demand sometimes can be stressful. It's not easy, and we all go through the same thing when we try to sign up on a website that is new. So that is just a little piece of advice that I want to get you. So I'm just going to X out of this. I'm going to drink a little bit of water because my throat is a little dry. All right, guys. So on the website here, you see it talks about, statement makers that they have. They have new phone cases. They have wall art pieces, featured items. So pay attention to the featured products. That means they're probably trying to put these out in front of people a little bit more, right? So also we have where they're discovering Black artists, bedding by style, fall apparel, and more here. So they have another feature artist, information about getting started, things, their rare products, every purchase pays an artist, and then again, more trending products and styles if you want to be more familiar with that. So we're going to go ahead and hit join. So it did have a pop-up that come right there, but we are going to go ahead and go to this one where it says join. And then it has a S6 Society 6 sign up where it says join Society 6. So it says, what are you here for? I am here to upload art, right? So discover, eat, sleep, create, repeat. All right. So this is going to be Dear Military Spouse. I always sign up with that one. And the same thing will be Dear Military Spouse. I'm going to separate this one to see. Okay. Email is, sorry guys, Dear Military Spouse. Let's create a password. Email is required, so it's there. And I'm not a robot. Okay. So then we're going to go ahead and hit sign up. All right, so first thing comes up is a little alien face with the followers and designs and things like that. It says, welcome, dear military spouse. Let's get started. Start selling your artwork. You have to get verified. Not ready to start selling, start discovering so you can explore. So let's see what happens when you say get verified. Okay, so it wants to verify you by your PayPal. So I'm going to do that off camera and then come back. Okay, so my identity was verified. I know it says go ahead and post products, but I want to find, I think it's like to edit your personal information, but I'm going to go to post products first just to see what happens. But I do want to find out some more information about like the profile link. So manage my posts, view shop, earnings, refresh. So we're going to go to my account, and that's under the little alien. because I don't want to start creating products in the setup process until everything in the back office is like set up correctly. Because sometimes we forget those very important things are those steps. So here you can do about me. I'm just gonna put themilitaryvows.com. Okay. I'm gonna just hit save changes. I don't have to verify my password when I want to change something. So I did that. And this is edit profile. Remember I said it was under the little thing. So it has this button that it talks about earnings. And there goes my dog. It has earnings, orders, and settings. I didn't even touch anything and it went to settings. That's super sensitive. Okay, so clearly under earnings, it says no sales or anything. It does have manage, view storefront, and then under orders, it just says nothing because I don't have any orders yet. Okay, like I said, there's no orders to display. And then I'm going to go over to settings. See what that's all about. Again, same thing. So that is, I guess, the main part of creating your store. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead back to earnings. I could hit view shop, but there's like really nothing in there. So signing up for the account is pretty much the easiest thing to do. You didn't have to do a lot of information as far as address and stuff, but I'm sure when you do buy something like a sample or something, you will have to do that. Again, far as I know, Society 6 is hosted on their own platform for you to sign up to and just do stuff. I'm going to go ahead and go to view storefront so you can see what it looks like before it has any of your products in it, and that's back at this screen right here. So says you can use the uploader tool to design dozens or just a few products. Highest quality asset you can generally go is up to 6,500. Okay, so we're gonna come back here because I'm sure you can click that and upload a picture. I don't think I have one right now, but also it's not telling me to do anything, but I'm assuming that's what the profile picture is here. And then also that would be your banner. Don't know why I can't do it right now, but that would be fun. Maybe it's in manage my shop. I told y'all I'm doing this along. Oh, edit shop. Sorry, I did not see that right there. So here we have the shop settings. Sorry, guys. You can do it by new stuff, department all, products all, because we really don't have anything. And here goes the cover image, edit avatar, and your bio. So let me go get something to fit that. All right, so I have a cover image uploaded that I'm going to put here. These were just things that I had already in my Canva, so I didn't go and create anything new. But I'm just going to add these two. I'm probably not going to add anything else to the bio. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save here. And for some reason, okay, there it goes. So that's that. And I think that's kind of it in the edit shop thing. So then the next thing we're going to do is start selling and creating our first product. But in this video, it has artwork, all the artwork that you upload, and then here will be all of your products, and where all of the different sections. Here is where you set your store markups. So here you see it, wall art, and like I said, you can just change these to whatever you want. If you want to change that to 5, make sure you hit update like I did not on the first one. So I'm just going to hit update and submit that and hit save. Are you sure you like to apply these changes? Yes. So I did that. And then the next thing we are going to do is add artwork. So I'm going to go ahead and hit select file. I'm going to use this same, let's see what we have over here on Canva. I want to do this one. And I'm probably I need to do transparent. Sorry guys. So I'm going to download this one as a transparent. Nope, can't do transparent background because it's yellow. Because I want the yellow to stay. And then I'm going to do, probably going to do that black Dear Military Spouse with the transparent background. And then in the next video, I'll show you guys how to create a actual product. But I wanted you to see me upload it, the file first, okay? And then you can see the pixels that I use in each of them. So I'm going to select that. And then let's see, the other one should be done now. I'm going to select that file. And I'm just going to call it DMS. Okay. So here it says, what does feature mean? Featured version of your artwork will appear in My Society and become the default asset for your wall art products. So asking questions about how large it can be. And I'm just going to hit continue. So it says, I represent that these are mine. It does not contain mature artwork, and I'm going to hit continue. And then the next process will kind of take you through setting each product up, which we will do in the next video. So until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.